My name's Liam Peters, and
My name's Neve Dooley and I work for Ariga as a receptionist.
How are you feeling?
Very excited. Yeah, just looking forward to it.
we're doing Charleston, which is a really fun dance, so we're really excited to start learning a few fun steps and then perform for everyone, yeah?
Yeah, it's going to be good.
Do you have much experience dancing?
Do a little bit when I was younger, but it's been a while, so.
Yeah, so I'm a Ballroom Latin trained dancer, so that's my background, yeah, and I've done a bit of Charleston in the past, so be excited to train in a bit, some moves, yeah.
So, why did you sign up for this challenge?
I love Strictly Come Dancing, so as soon as Michelle mentioned it, I said put my name down. I didn't ask any questions.
Yeah, I was really excited because teaching someone something you like really enjoy doing it just feels great, and to be able to dance with someone at the end, like a finished product, it's really nice.